to be part of the wave. Can't stop. Come and tell me when it's time to